Hi, I am Nicola Cesabianchi, the director of the Milan ELLIS unit. Our unit is a joint effort that combines the research groups of 4 universities with interdisciplinary and complementary skills. I am with the University of Milan, the largest university in Lombardy and the only Italian member of the League of European Research Universities. Giorgio Valentini and I lead the ELLIS team with about 15 researchers. We work on online and interactive learning, graph mining, bioinformatics, and personalized medicine. Another member of our unit is Bocconi University. Bocconi is one of the top schools in economics and has recently entered the field of artificial intelligence. Riccardo Zecchina, Sonia Petrone, and Carlo Baldassi lead the Bocconi ELLIS team. They work on statistical physics of deep learning, natural language processing, but also on security and machine learning, quantum computing, computational biomedicine, and neuroscience. The Polytechnic University of Milan is the 3rd member of our unit. Politecnico has been running the Italian AI Observatory since 2017, and their PolyHub is one of the top 3 university accelerators worldwide. Nicola Gatti and Marcello Restelli lead the local ELLIS team with about 20 researchers working on reinforcement learning and game theory, statistical and interactive learning, sequential decision-making, and algorithmic game theory. The 4th member of our unit is the University of Milan Bicocca, a young and top-ranked university. With the University of Milan and the University of Pavia, Bicocca recently started a degree program in artificial intelligence. Gabriella Pasi leads the Bicocca ELLIS team with Simone Bianco and more than 10 researchers. They work on natural language processing, neurosymbolic artificial intelligence, computer vision, bioinformatics, and also machine learning. Milan is the main financial and industrial hub of Italy and hosts a rich ecosystem of universities, research labs, and industrial labs. We expect the city will benefit from the ELLIS unit in multiple ways. Pushing top-quality AI research will attract the most talented researchers. We'll also foster entrepreneurship and concentrate industrial investments. Thanks to ELLIS, Milan is on track to become one of the leading research centers in Europe for artificial intelligence.